Imagine you're hosting a party and you want music in different rooms. Or maybe you want to listen to your playlist on your phone and your computer at the same time. But how do you make this happen? It sounds tricky, but it's actually easy if you follow the right steps. So first, you're going to make sure that your Spotify account is set up on both devices. So you need the same account logged in on each, okay? The same account logged in on each. Next, use Spotify's Connect feature. So on one device, you play your music, and then you're going to click Devices Available, okay? That option. And you're going to select the second device. It's that simple, all right? Another way is to use the Spotify app on your phone and the web player on your computer. So just start your music on one and then quickly open the web player for the other. Now, if you have a smart speaker like Amazon Alexa or Google Home, you can sync multiple devices by connecting them via Spotify's multiple device feature, all right? So try using Bluetooth to connect two speakers to your phone for a seamless experience. And lastly, you could also explore third-party apps like SoundHound that could help you to control music on multiple devices. All right? So now that you know the tricks, go ahead and start playing music everywhere. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for being here. Love you. Ciao.